I'm going to show you guys how I easily transformed this t-shirt into a beautiful short without any pattern, no calculations, nothing. All you have to do is watch this video up to the end and I'll show you how to make a shirt into a beautiful shorts like this one without any complicated patterns. So let's get into the sewing of the shorts. So all you have to do is get your shirt. As you can see, I have my t-shirt here, then I'm going to fold it at the center. So we just have to fold it. Then after folding it, you can get your chalk and a ruler. Optional, you can do without a ruler. You also need your pair of scissors. So I'm just going to fold it at the center, as you can see me do. Then we're going to align it well. So just make sure both sides, the left and right sleeves, are well aligned. Everything should be even, as you can see me do. Then I'm going to get my ruler and my tailor's chalk. Then I'm going to find the midpoint. So this is the midpoint of my sleeve. Then I'm going to draw a line. Then I'm going to cut this off with my pair of scissors. So I'm just going to trim it off because we don't need the other sides. So just cut it out, as you can see me do. Then after cutting this out, we're going to cut the other side as well. So we're going to cut from this part going downwards. I'll just get my ruler to help me have a symmetrical straight line, a straight line. So I'm just going to get my pair of scissors and I'm going to trim this off as well because we're not going to be needing this. So I'm just going to trim it off. Then after trimming this off, I'm just going to turn my shirt like I am doing. Then I'll turn it again. Just hold these parts. Just watch what I'm doing. Just hold it from here, then turn it like I have done, like so. Then we're going to align these parts together. Just align them well. So this is more like the crotch. You're going to align them well, then you're going to stitch this part. But when stitching, this is the right side, you have to stitch from the wrong sides. So, and then we're going to hem as well. So these will be the legs. So we're going to turn it to the inside, the wrong side. So just going to turn the shirt to the wrong sides. Then we're going to take it the sewing machine and stitch. So I'm just going to turn it over. So this is the wrong sides. Then I'm going to align the two pieces together. Then I'm just going to take it the sewing machine to stitch and also hem. So I've just finished sewing. I've sewn these parts. I've also hemmed, and I've also, so this is the legs. I've hemmed this side. I've hemmed, as you can see, on both sides, and I've also sewn this side where I'm going to be putting my elastic. So I have my safety pin and my elastic. So this safety pin is going to help me to insert the elastic. I made an elastic casing on top. I more like hemmed the top part. So I left out about 1 inch for inserting the elastic on the top part. I sewed around, then I left out about 1 inch. So I'm just going to insert my elastic in there. Then the length of the elastic is should be less than the actual short waist. So this is what we have. Then I'm going to tie the two elastics together. Then after tying them, if you want, you can stitch on them, but I prefer tying. Then cut off the excess. Then after cutting off the excess, you're going to sew the opening where we were putting the elastic. This opening, you're going to close it and stitch it. So guys, this is our beautiful short, as you can see. So if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and encourage me to make more videos like this one. Bye, and see you in my next tutorial.